noticed that a lot of people, when the kids go from their school to home, a lot of people get lunches that is hard. Parents get exhausted making lunch, dinner, like that. Guess what we're making?
A quick and easy lunch, which is pizza.
So pizza, my sister likes it a lot, so I'm gonna show her like a miniature version of how to make pizza out of simple bread. Isn't that amazing?
It is amazing.
You know
what? Can we taste it?
Well, see guys? She's so excited to eat pizza. So like today we're gonna make it, and like you might get help. Like you guys, like if your parents watching this, you might make your kids like easy lunches when they come from school. Okay guys, let's see. So what are the ingredients for our mini pizza? We have this bread. You could buy bread at the supermarkets, convenience stores, and other stores, and other grocery stores. We also have some pizza sauce. This, oh, that looks good. We have some mozzarella cheese. So we just slice the mozzarella cheese bars into these cheeses. We also have some
yellow peppers and some red peppers and some onions too.
That's all we use. Now let's start into the recipe and how to make it. So before we begin into the recipe, we just have to show you guys that we have to cut the bread. We have to cut off all the edges and crusts. So we're just gonna cut it like this.
Be careful you don't cut your finger by accident.
Okay, right, I won't. Take one piece off. I'm just gonna show you guys if you don't know how to cut the crust off. Move to the side. Move this to the side. And voila, you have your the crust off. And now I'm gonna show you guys with another bread. So to put this to the side, make sure you have adult supervision. Adult supervising you on make sure that it's very bad. Don't try this, kids, unless you have an adult beside you watching you. I'm okay. I'm supervising my sister if she does something. So yeah, here you go. Now let's begin into how to making it. So first we have to put the bread into this. I'm gonna put it properly. Here, I'm gonna have 6 pieces. So now, the step 2, you guys wanna put some tomato sauce on the breads.
Make sure you spread it all over.
Yes. Good. That's some good tomato sauce, right, Priya?
Yep.
Gotta put some more.
It's gonna be so good when it's ready.
Yeah. I'm gonna spread some more. The pizza's gonna turn out cheesy and very delicious.
The more cheese and sauce is more good.
Yes.
Now we're done spreading the sauce, so now we're gonna put the cheese on.
Okay. I'm gonna start spreading the cheese.
It looks yummy.
I know.
But when it's in the oven, it's gonna be looking more better.
Yeah, I'm gonna start putting the cheese. Start spreading it around the pizza. So I've done some more cheeses, so now I'm just gonna add the final touches.
And after the cheese, we're gonna put the vegetables.
More cheese you have, guys, the more flavor it gives. Now I'm gonna put the vegetables. So I'm gonna start with the onions. I'm gonna put some on. I'm gonna start putting the onions. Here. Other slice.
It's gonna be really healthy.
Yes, it's gonna be very healthy. It doesn't take that much time to make it. It takes like about 10 minutes.
It's really quick though.
I'm gonna spread the onions out. Make sure you guys spread it out like this. Good job. Spread more. Now I'm gonna put the red pepper. Do you want to help put it for you?
Yeah.
Here you go.
I'm gonna put one at a time so it's more.
And I'll help my sister as well. Normally we just don't put vegetables, but we love vegetables, so we're gonna make a vegetarian pizza.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah. Right?
Now we're gonna put the yellow peppers.
Now we're putting the yellow pepper.
It's really quick.
And it's gonna be a vegetarian healthy pizza.
Jack it up.
Keep adding it. Come on, Priya, keep adding it. It's gonna be a delicious, juicy pizza. Okay, now stop adding it. So now we just have to put it in the oven. So come, follow with us. As I said, we could put it in the oven, but before I say that, make sure that you could put like as many vegetables, as many chicken, like any flavors, like toppings if you want. We just prefer it like this. You guys can try it out after this video. So we're gonna bring it to the oven. Make sure you put it up for 300 degrees and you cook it, roast it in the oven for like 10 minutes. Don't put overuse or else it will burn. So let's go, put it in the oven. Okay, now I'm gonna put it inside the oven. So start putting it inside the oven. Close the oven. Now it's going to start cooking. So now it's ready to cook. It's ready and we already cooked it. So now we're just going to take it out and try it. Now the bread pizza is ready. So now I'm going to give it to my little sister to try and see her reaction on the pizza. So here, come with us.
I'm so excited.
So the pizza is ready. She's going to eat it. So like here.
It tastes so good when I
Try
eat
it. So wait. 3, 2, 1. Eat it.
Mmm.
Oh my
It's
God,
actually good.
Now I'm gonna eat it. Yum!
It's good. So if you want more videos of me and my brother making the best cooking videos ever,
Please subscribe
to
below
the-
and consider if you enjoyed this video, like this button below and
Thank you for watching our videos and please subscribe. If you have any comments,
leave them below. Bye.